This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Debug the program. This program is supposed to return a sum of two values, but it has an error. Find and fix the error. It does. I'm going to hit run. So add 10 plus 20. It has an error, but it has an error. The sum of 10 and 20 would be 30. What? That would be the error guy. What are you talking about? So this is my favorite or least favorite type of error. Few things. One, but mister, it's not coming up at the council. Everything's fine. Actually, right, bugs will. Some errors do. If it is a critical error, it will throw an error and there will be some type of notification down here. Just because it doesn't show down here, guys, doesn't mean there isn't an error, right? Even if the math is correct here, I'm really tempted to be like, but wait, the math is correct. It's good to go. It's fine. However, there is one thing that I caught right away. Let me go over to calculator to make sure. So that's fine. I don't love a non-static class, but that looks all right. Because we're going to get called this directly. Let me just make sure. New calculator, my calculator.add. Actually, that would also be fine. However, since this lesson is called static methods, and since this method is going to be static, there's no reason that we need to instantiate this class. So this, though, I do want to make the point. I dislike that this is called an error. This is not an error. This is functional code. It works. This is what I would expect it to do. You could have static methods and instantiated objects, right? That is acceptable. You might have a few static methods within a class. It would be somewhat odd, but not unprecedented to do that. However, what they're getting at here is they don't want you to, I believe. So I'm going to kill this. We're murderers. And if I do that, now I need to call the class directly. So int sum calculator, and now I've eliminated unnecessary code, right? Would it be an error? But it was certainly unnecessary. Let's give that a shot. But function's the same. Onward.